Howdy, you magnificent pixel pushers and camera connoisseurs. Gather round because we're diving into the juicy world of Hasselblad rumors. Word on the street is that the Hasselblad X2D II might be making its grand entrance in June 2025. And yes, it's got photographers buzzing like a drone over Iceland. How do we know this mythical medium format marvel is on the way? Enter the FCC registration, aka the gadget world's secret handshake. A filing under the name HB722 showed up in December 2024, and if history tells us anything, FCC leaks are often the first glimmer of new gear before the official reveal. If this rumor holds true, things are about to get seriously hassle-tastic. Before we jump into what's next, let's take a moment to appreciate the original X2D100C. Released in 2022, it quickly became a dream machine for still photographers. It boasted an incredible 100-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, delivering jaw-dropping detail and dynamic range. The 7 stops of built-in sensor shift image stabilization were a game-changer for handheld medium-format photography, allowing users to capture stunning images even in low light. The camera also introduced a 1 terabyte internal SSD drive, which minimized reliance on external memory cards. Plus, Hasselblad's natural color solution ensured 16-bit images were decoded with exquisite color fidelity, a hallmark of the brand. Yet despite all these accomplishments, the X2D100C wasn't perfect. The autofocus system, though capable, felt sluggish compared to the competition. And then there was the elephant in the room: no video capabilities. In an era where hybrid shooters dominate, this omission stood out, especially with competitors like Fujifilm's GFX series raising the bar. Enter the X2D II, an opportunity for Hasselblad to refine its formula while addressing these limitations. While official specs for the X2D II are still under wraps, we can make some educated guesses. A resolution bump is unlikely. The current 100-megapixel sensor already delivers 16-bit color and 15 stops of dynamic range. Instead, expect improvements in noise handling and readout speed, boosting performance in nuanced portrait and landscape work. Autofocus is a key area for upgrade. The original's 294 AF zone sounded great on paper, but lacked speed and tracking prowess. With AI and computational photography advances, Hasselblad could introduce smarter, faster autofocus, making the X2D II far more competitive in today's market. The original's 5-axis, 7-stop EBIS was a game-changer for medium format, enabling handheld shooting even with a 100-megapixel sensor. The X2D II will likely keep this, possibly with small efficiency tweaks. A major upgrade could come in the form of a new processor. The current one occasionally lags with the EVF and file handling. A faster chip would boost responsiveness, shooting speed, and file transfers, and potentially unlock video capabilities. Imagine 4K footage with Hasselblad's legendary color science, 10-bit depth, and a log profile, a dream setup for hybrid shooters. Storage may also get a bump. With video likely on the horizon, the current 1 terabyte SSD might not suffice. 2 terabytes would make sense for handling larger files on the go. Design-wise, expect Hasselblad to stick with its sleek Scandinavian style, though a larger grip could improve comfort during long shoots. As we anticipate the X2D II, it's worth remembering Hasselblad's focus: exceptional still image quality. While video and performance upgrades would broaden appeal, their core mission will likely remain crafting the ultimate tool for pro photographers. The medium format camera space is more competitive than ever, with Fujifilm's GFX series pushing boundaries in speed and versatility. Hasselblad's X2D II represents an opportunity to respond to these challenges while staying true to its brand ethos. If the rumored features pan out, the X2D II could solidify Hasselblad's position as a leader in medium format photography, offering an unmatched blend of image quality, innovative features, and timeless design. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Hasselblad X2D II? Do you think it will live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting camera updates.